Hi, good afternoon everyone. Today I have another unboxing and this was bought before Chinese New Year, which explains the Chinese New Year packaging. Super excited. I got this from the 22p launch and it's a bag that I've been wanting for a long time, but I just wasn't able to get it for maybe 2 seasons. So I requested it from my SA and she kindly helped me keep a lookout for it. And this is the unboxing, and also I got a small SLG along with the bag for the day. So I'm not too sure whether they're changing it to the black camellia flower permanently. It used to be white, but for the Chinese New Year packaging it seems like it's still the black camellia flower at the moment. So let's open the bigger items first. I shall skip the receipt. Super excited for this. I actually got my boyfriend to check it for me, so I didn't go down, technically speaking. And I only saw photos of it from my SA, but I haven't seen the item in real life yet. Okay, this is, let me put this SLG aside. So as you know, I like black, beige, and maybe light pink bags. Sometimes I get offered navy and it's fine because when it's super close to black, I really can't tell the difference. But ideally I would like black or beige or light pink bags. So this is one of the colors. Okay, so it looks like Chanel has changed the sticker as well. A bit different from the usual stickers. So my SA got this bag for me right before she went on leave. I'm super happy for her. With her. Okay, still can't tell what this is. This is a dust bag, which I don't use actually. So typically for my bags, after I want to care for it, I wrap it back into the box with the tissue and I put it into my wardrobe. And I air it every 2 to 3 weeks. I'll take it out and put it outside for about 24 hours at least. And usually my house has air conditioning on during the afternoon, so it's not too hot. It definitely changed the stickers. Oops, yes, I ruined the tissue paper. I heard I was super busy during lunch day. Alright. Okay. This is the strap. So as you can see, it's a black coco handle in the small size, and yeah, in gold hardware as usual. So it's super dainty and super cute. Sorry, I'm just looking at it pretty closely now because it is really my first time looking at it too. Yeah. In a green calf skin. Just doing a turn around now. I believe this piece is new. Okay, let me continue the unboxing. Sorry, this is really my first time looking at the item as well, so I may not be speaking sometimes. First, for some unboxing, I actually opened the item before and I reboxed it to film the video. For this, it's really my first time opening it. So you can see the black stuffing, and this is to keep the shape. Let me just take it out. Sometimes I wish I'm more careful with my unboxing so that I know how to pack it back, right? There's a few times when I get so many parts and pieces that I can't remember which part goes to where. Okay, so this is the tissue for the handle shape. This one is the tissue for the interior. So you have interior tissue. And one thing I noticed about the difference between Asia essays and European essays, the essays in Europe, unless you ask for it, they don't stuff the bags. Maybe they think that it looks, it's packaging that consumers don't want in Europe, but typically I do want my stuffing so that I can keep the bag in shape. So as you can see, the interior is burgundy lined, and there's the microchip. I'm not sure you can see. It's the microchip here. So this bag is made in, sorry, I need to move it out of the camera for a while. Okay, this is made in Italy, and then you have the zip here, right here. Sorry, the angle. Okay, I shall not. You have the zip right here. So for coco handle, one moment. To be honest, I got this. This is a small size, and it's actually much smaller than expected. But I know I can't go down to the mini. So for the mini, right, you can't even fit a phone. That's how bad it is. Okay, I know mini bags are trendy now, but for the mini coco handle, if you were to carry it, you hold the phone in your hand. Just know. Okay, one of the best thing about this bag is that the straps. So you have a top handle here, and it's black as well. This is I can't tell whether it's lizard skin or calf skin. I think it's lizard. Okay, and then this is detachable. Okay, let me try to remove the handle strap for you. Sorry guys if I'm doing it just a bit slower than usual, because usually I would have already figured out the bag before I bought it, but this is really my first take. And for my videos, I barely refilm it unless there's really some background disturbances or I can't use it. So the purpose of my channel is really to create a photo journal of what I bought, how I felt when I got it, and maybe after I use them for a longer time, I will film like thoughts and feeling about it. Okay, so this is from the 22p collection. So this collection has coco handles. So before I forget, there's the stuffing for the head, for this chain at the side. Now this is for the back interior, and this one will be here. I think we can stuff it to hold the shape of the handle, keep it straight. So for this bag, it's definitely straight. Okay, and I shall keep the stickers on for a while. So as you can see, it's I'm going to try it. Okay, I'm going to try it off screen later after the video for a mod shot. So this is the full screen of the thing. I'm just going to do a 360-degree view now. Yeah, not sure if I'll collect more coco handle. For the price point, I think it's still reasonable for something that is in Caviar. This is really fuss free. I want to get a small as a work bag, but looking at the size now, I'm not too sure that I'll use this as a work bag. I mean, for me personally, I think mini bag look a bit ridiculous to go to work. It looks a bit too cute. No offense if your job is okay with it, but for my job, it's a bit too cute for it. And the inner line is leather line as well, burgundy lined. Okay, I'm going to pause the video for a while and take my medium coco handle in dark beige from 21A so that I can do a side-by-side comparison, see the difference. Okay, just continuing my video. This, I took out my 21A medium coco handle in dark beige. I really love this bag. The functionality, the color, the detachable straps, like it has everything. The fact that it's Caviar, it's fuss free. That's the main reason why I wanted to add a black version of it, because I mean black's a classic color, it's a perfect neutral color, it doesn't go out of style. So I bought this in 22p, and you can see I'm not too sure how to best show it to you guys. Maybe I'll just detach the straps first, because that's easier to lay it flat. And on the day itself, my boyfriend actually got offered this coco handle in medium size, in this size in the 22p blue. I think it's a Tiffany blue or light blue. Yeah, it's a pretty color, but I really shopped a lot these few days or these few months. So nope, I rejected the bag because I need to practice a bit of self-control. Okay, not sure if I zoom out you can see. Okay, yes, it fits in perfectly. So you can see the number of quotes are different, and the handle is both are pure black, whereas for the 21A beige, there is a slightly different color from this. It's not obvious from the camera, but in real life you can see that it's a bit different. And the number of quotes are different as well. You can probably count. If you pause the video, and you'll be able to see. I bought this from 21A. I can't remember it has been 6 months yet, but there's absolutely zero wear and tear. The stickers are off and everything is perfect. I have no complaints about the bag. Both bags stand up straight as well. And if you watch my 21A unboxing video, when I unbox it, you'll be able to tell that the handle was actually slanted. So the bigger the bag is, the probability of it slanting is higher, because the top handle slanting is higher because maybe it's just harder for them to maintain the weight, right? The bag, and you get squashed during shipment. But this one is definitely straight. What other features? Oh, what fits inside the bag? That's probably the last thing I'll film today. Sorry, today's video is a bit long. I was playing around with it, taking more shots. So you can see that I can fit a mini case and my handphone in, and there's still a back zipper pocket here, which is a bit tight but it's functional, and another back pocket which I'm not using, so it can probably fit another phone. So I would say this fits around the same amount as my small classic flap. It is the exact same amount. I can probably fit like 2 phones and a mini case with no further room for it. And as you carry it, while I was playing with it just now on the side, you'll probably find it a bit hard to, there's not much moving spaces, right, for your belongings. So I mean, it's not difficult to take it out, but compared to my medium, which is the first size that I had, it's really much roomier. So you can see this is like insane, right? There's even a lipstick compartment. It's really perfect, and there's like 2 compartments here. So this is another difference. I don't think there is that here. Just realized. No, it's just a straight compartment. Take a look at it. And over here, I will be able to fit this super easily. Wearing this bag, the main reason why I love this bag so much, because it's just so roomy. It's so easy to open and close. I used up like half the space. Look, I'm just slipping it here. I can literally fit my entire palm in here. There's still a lot of space here. There's pockets here and there's lipstick here. So this is really my I don't know, classic flap will have a special place in my heart, but I would say after the mini trend goes away, this is going to be a forever bag for me. And there's absolutely no wear and tear. So, and the price, okay, now what are the things that I want to talk about? Prices? This is from 21A and that is from 22P, and between those 2 seasons there have already been price increase. The prices I quote are at Singapore dollars terms. This, I bought it for 6,640, 6640. And this one, I need to check my receipt again. I can't remember the price. Sorry, one moment please. I lost the receipt. I bought it for 7,250, I think. I'm going to put the price down in the description box below. This is 7,250. This is 6,640. So as you can see, even though I bought a medium, it's cheaper than my small, which I can put a lot more things in here, but prices have increased. I don't know how much a medium will cost now, and that's also a reason why I said no to the SA who offered me the medium for this style in 22p blue, because psychologically I'm stuck to the 6640 price. So I can't imagine paying more for this 7250, and then I need to pay a higher price for this. So I'm very happy with this bag, unless there's a color that I'm unless there is a color that I'm very sure that I'll love forever, or something that can match this or beat this in terms of my likelihood or my love for the color. I don't think I'll end otherwise. So between this and the blue, I prefer this. So there's no reason why I want to get another